Hello. Back again. I made a crazy promise that I would have the Deckard's Dream ready for Synth East. So if that's going to be the case, or if I'm going to at least try to do a little bit of that, I need to do some more work on it. Now, I've been looking at it and I'm nearly there. I'm really nearly there. The voice cards. All I've got to do is these capacitors around the top. The electrolytic capacitors. And there's not a whole lot of them. And I've just got 7 cards to do. So I thought, I keep looking at them going, am I sure there's not a whole lot of other stuff missing? No, there isn't. I'm nearly there. I knew I was. I knew it's within my grasp. So let's flipping get on with it. Let's do these capacitors. And then we'll be in a position where we have to think about pulling the whole thing together. I mean, that scares the living daylights out of me, I can tell you. But we'll cross that bridge. We will be crossing that bridge sooner rather than later, by the sounds of things. So I think there's only 3 types. 1, 2, 3. 4 of one, 2 of another, 8 of another. 7 boards to do. Let's see if I've got the bits in here. So it's this bunch of stuff. These greenies, these black ones, and these ones, we think, possibly. And then got a lot of odds and sods left over in this box, which I'm not going to be concerned about. A bit more concerned about these quad VCAs, but I'm sure I'll get to that. That's another stage. Putting the chips in is a whole other thing, but I'm definitely going to be squeeze it up a bit. Definitely going to be getting to that. Right. Okay. Soldering iron on. So I've got C11, C60, 47 microfarads. These ones are 32 of these. Should be the 22. 220 microfarads rather. Yep. And then these ones should be 64. 1 microfarad. Maybe I'll do it in 2 lots. Or not. I don't know. Let's just do one. See where we get to. Right. So, sort yourself out, boy. Organise yourself. I'm going to do that. Let's get these out of here. Way! That's fantastic. Now, did I develop an easy way to get these out of here? Would it be easier if I did that first? It might be. Alright, so if I pull these by their legs, I don't want to pull them by their body in case I pull them out. Are they going to come out easy? No, they're not going to come out easy either. Oh, this is going to be sickening, I think. So, alright, my first problem then is getting these out of here. So let me just do this a bit quicker. So I've got 8 per board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's just get stuck in that sort of way. So I need 8 of those. I need 4 of these. And 2 of the little ones. Now these, of course, are not in the slightest bit annoying. Oh no. Just the sort of thing I love to do. Peeling this stuff off. So please, yeah, in the comments do put new and interesting special tools that you use for retrieving electrolytic capacitors from their masking tape, which will all be a bit too late for me, but hey, might help somebody out, because this stinks. I'm sure I've done this simpler before, or maybe these are just, because they've been stuck there so long, so old, waiting to realise their potential as a capacitor, that they've just got a bit stuck in themselves. Oh, just kill me now. So, these are all scattered over the board. As you can see, there's 4 of the big fat ones, 2 of the little ones, which are in here somewhere, and then the rest are the greens. So, the fat ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. C1, 2, 3 and 4, which are just down here. That's all they're using. Now these are polarized, so you have a long leg, which is positive, and the short leg, which you can see on the capacitor, is negative. So long leg needs to go into where there's a plus, where the positive sign is on the board. Long leg positive, straight into there. Like so. Splay them out at the back. A bit all over the place. Long leg positive into there. Come on. It can work. And in this one, go on with you. Go on, get in. Like so. Now the little ones, the 2, 11 and 60. See, there's 60. And 11 is down here. So the 2 little blue ones, same again. Long leg positive in 11. Just looking at my board to make sure it looks about the same place. Yeah, 60 is up here, long leg positive. Put that in, and the rest should be these green fellas. Now interestingly, there's no minus written on the side of these capacitors, which would lead me to believe that these are actually not polarized. If we look on the bag, it says non-polar. So that means it doesn't matter, and in fact on the board there's no positive mark. There's no mark at all to tell you which way round they should go. So in which case I will deduce that they can go any old which way round, which is cool. So there's 27. $28. Long leg any old where. 39. $104. Bit of a leap. 104. Yeah. $113. $85. $74. $73. Come on. That, I think, that's the lot. That is the lot. Great stuff. So what I'll do is I will populate each of the boards, put them all in, and then have a quick look at that, and then get on with the soldering. Easy job, easy job. Right, there we have it. That's all of the capacitors mounted. Now just got to do the soldering on the back, which is great. Thought I'd lost one for a minute and then found it again, which is always nice. And I still can't quite believe that this is the last thing to do, other than putting the chips in, which I will do next. But heck, I've just got what, 16, 4, 10, 14 capacitors per board to solder, and then the voice cards have got all the soldering done. That's amazing. Can't believe it. That's extraordinary. I will see you on the other side. Done. Done. I mean, look at the quality of that soldering underneath. Oh, it's magical. Beautiful. I think you'll find, I think you'll agree. Voice cards. Yes. Yes. So good. All good. All good. All good. Dumpty dumpty dum. Dumpty dum. Right, so next up is the ICs. All of the ICs to go in. That's going to be the next thing, which I might try to do this afternoon. Don't know. Otherwise, I need to do it soon, and then I can draw a line under that. And then somehow pull all the weird bits together, chuck it in its box, and just assume it's all going to work. That's the plan. So, cool then. Thanks very much. And in the meantime, go make some tunes.